For the first time in my life today, I'm gonna try some VR stuff. It's a whole kit, Rokid Spatial glasses. They're basically just glasses you put on, you connect them to your phone, and then it's sort of like the Apple Vision Pro, but like the cheaper version for pretty much the same features. And also it doesn't look like ski goggles. Have you seen the Apple Vision Pro? That thing's ugly. Anyways, at least these kind of look like those glasses you get after you've been to the optometrist. So we're gonna get it unboxed, figure it out. I have no idea what to do at all. Basically didn't look up anything, just kind of want to open it up and see how easy it is to figure out from like a consumer point of view. So let's start off with the Station, because this just looks like a phone. User manual, a couple of Rokid stickers, I think. We have the shortest Type-C cable I've ever seen in my entire life. Actually not that short, but still pretty short. Type-C to Type-C, cute. At least they got little covers on it. That's fancy. Love that. We have a little case. Is this really just like a phone that you can plug, or is this like the screen recording device or whatever? Yeah, this is like a... Oh, it's so cute. I love this. They should make phones like this. Remember old phones? Remember when they were thick brick? This is like, it reminds me of like those old iPods, like the fat ones. I like it. Okay, and that's it. And I'm assuming I'm probably gonna have to charge this. So I'm gonna use it for this. I've been looking for a reason to use it. It's pretty cool. It's got like a little screen on it and stuff. 140 watt, 3 Type-C cables. Isn't that cute? Look at that. This thing is heavy. 3 Type-C ports. Flip it out. A couple of controls for the lighting and stuff right here. Ooh, something's happening. Okay, so we got that open. We got that charging, the whatever it is. I don't know what that thing is, the Rokid Station. We'll open up the hub, user manual. There she is. Got nice little accents. Type-C, 2 Type-Cs on the bottom, 1 male Type-C on the top. And it's got like a nice rose gold finish. I like that, that's cute. Feels nice and heavy. All right, Rokid fan for life. Okay, here's the Rokid Max, the moment we've all been waiting for. How the heck do I open this? Oh, there's a little pull tab on it. Say goodbye to your resale value. Just kidding. I don't think anyone should ever buy used products that were on someone else's eyes, just as a general rule of thumb. Comes with a nice presentation. Hard case, a little envelope you can open at the top, with the user manual and a cleaning cloth, a little like a phone screen type one, a little Rokid symbol on it. Cute. Extra nostril. I'll leave that in there because I feel like I should probably keep that clean. Type-C cable to connect from device to device. The Rokid Station to the Rokid Max. And this cable, pretty long. Cool. Let's take a look at the actual star of the show. Rokid, it's like a glasses case. If you ever have like, it's like hard, probably plastic, and then covered with like a leather, a little bit of leather. That's it, just Rokid on the top, little strap on the side. Does this open when I'm holding it by the strap? No, it doesn't, seems pretty safe. That would sure suck if that did fall out, because it seems very sturdy. Boom. Look at that. Got a little thingy up there for your cable. Little foam at the front just to keep everything nice and tight. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Nice hard case, nice satisfying, just like a glasses case. I had a case just like this for my glasses when I was younger. Tell me this doesn't like look better than the Apple Vision Pro. These actually look like almost normal glasses. Okay, so they just form fit onto your head. They don't really fully open like that. There's a little Type-C plug on the back of it. Looks like there's a little sensor right here, like next to your temple, maybe. They got 2 speakers right in your ear area. So I guess it's got built-in speakers there on the thing. Oh, so it's like pupillary alignment or whatever. So you have your little adjustment to focus on each lens right here at the top. There's a little microphone here at the top, right in between the 2 lenses. What else have we got in here? I will reverse engineer you. Rokid on the side, cute. Do I look cool? Admit it. Am I sick or what? Is this better than Apple Vision Pro? Trade offer. I give you one of these, you give me your Apple Vision Pro, and then we call it day, and then you look cool, and then I'll take the L for you. All right, there's a few extra points here for the Rokid that I wanted to cover. Rokid's pretty cool, man. They were founded in 2014, so they've been around for 11 years. They started mass producing consumer AR glasses in 2020. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that they've been around that long, but a little history on Rokid there. Anyways, there's an immersive multi-screen experience. It supports up to 3 application windows simultaneously. Flexible window ratios include wide, ultra-wide, 21:9, and narrow, adaptable to different usage scenarios. You can watch a video, reply to messages, and browse the web all at once without switching tabs or screens. You just have 3 little screens all up at once. It basically just kind of makes your AR setup into more of like a triple monitor PC setup. It also has a 300-inch giant screen mode. It has sport mode, which is for movement, and it has reading mode. The giant screen mode with 3D, it can instantly transform any app window into a massive virtual screen up to 300 inches, appearing 8 meters away for a cinema-like experience. You can frequently resize and position the screen, and with full 3D video support, the 300-inch plus 3D combo delivers unparalleled depth and immersion. It's got sport mode also, that automatically adjusts with your head movement, ideal for planes, cars, and on-the-go settings. And then there's a reading mode. It automatically brings the screen closer for a comfortable reading experience. And it's also got a rich content ecosystem, so it's compatible with Android apps, Google Play Store, and streaming services like Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube, HBO, Prime Video, Apple TV, and Hulu, and many more. It also supports gaming, productivity apps, and social media platforms. In addition, it has a robust developer ecosystem. Currently, there are around 35 spatial apps available for free, including spatial games like Toy Monster. The ecosystem continues to grow rapidly with more immersive spatial experiences coming soon. And that is pretty much it when it comes to Rokid. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, I hear music playing from the thing. Can I lock in now? Whoa. Wow. Wait, what the? Whoa, it's a touchpad for it. Pulse.
This is the battery level indicator.
Skip. Okay, so I finally have the thing, I guess. It's already recording. So this is what you get when you first look in. It's just like ocean, and then you have a little menu screen here, and you can use this to drag your finger across and control the cursor. You can go in here and look in the apps. Of course, they have Chrome already installed, and then you have AR Pet, some different games, Tomorrow Back, Deja Vu, and then you have the App Store. You can download stuff. There's like your triple screen. That's kind of cool. A lot of Chinese games and stuff on here, but there's also like Xbox Game Pass and other things that are pretty standard. I mean, there's like all your settings, there's your personal stuff. I mean, you just download some apps, or I'll just go ahead and like throw on a game that they have pre-installed, I guess, just to kind of immerse. Whoa, it's an angel. Like you can like learn about constellations and stuff. Whoa, it's Libra or something, I don't know. Looked like a scale. There's a lion. Can I just like walk in? What if I walk closer? That's not how it works. Dang. This is a video. Is an aquarium I'm in. And it's got peaceful music. Wow, 3D aquarium. They're flying out of the aquarium. Wow. Wow. Hey, look, wait, the constellations are still there. That's just a common feature. Whoa, this sea turtle, he's passing me knowledge. That's rude. I'm out of here, bro. That was cringe. He's mean, not fair. Wait, we gotta go to the mountains. Hold on, I'm in. Okay, yeah, so this is better. They have like a wide shot, so you can like look around and see everything. What is this over here? Why am I in an office? Who AI generated an office behind me? What is this? Customer growth strategy. This is a pyramid scheme. I'm watching an ad. Oh my God. This is what they wanted. They're beaming an ad right into my freaking skull. Oh my God. Ultra wide window. Theater. Yo, look at that. I'm in a theater, bro. This is like the coolest thing ever. Okay, I'm out of here. Yeah, let me try this. Tiangong. What is this? Powered by Yodaos Master. Whoa. Wentian laboratory module. Yo, hold on. This is SpaceX. Whoa! It's Earth down there, man. What the hell? Where's my fucking cursor? Oh, it's like a spin it. I wanna go to the space station. Laboratory module. It's just telling me stuff. I don't think there's anything to do here. Okay, Tomorrow Back. Let's play that. Maybe there's something good on here. The energy on Naboo is not suitable for living. Oh no. I'm on the moon! Hold up. Hold up, where's Earth? Can't find. Long press to accelerate. Yeah. Whoa. That's freaking sick, dude. What? Okay, we're more focused now. We're in the island, yeah. Oh yeah. We're going quick. Whoa, those birds are like super 3D. That's a butterfly. In the future, this will be our new Naboo homeland. Dude, this is really freaking cool. Hold up, pause. The end. Oh. Okay. That was actually so freaking fun. My first experience with VR. I had an absolute blast. I hope we can get some good footage of what I saw. You guys want to dip your toes into the VR market? You want something that'll work well with your phone? Nice, easy app, and you want to show your friends whatever, you really want to record the screen, stuff like that. It's got a nice little touch screen thing. It just feels like an old like iPhone, and it's a little touch screen, and you use that to like control the cursor. Oh man, it was just so cool. And it's so simple. It's not super hard to set up. I remember like having my friend's VR set up. That thing was like, that was like impossible to get set up. You know, other than that, it was pretty freaking cool. I didn't have any problems with it. It's a little blurry, but I finally got it like, you know, tuned in right. Each eye is a little different, so you gotta like, you know, really like tune it in to just kind of like get started. I think was a really fun experience. It seemed like it was fairly simple to put together. I would say like getting it connected to your phone and like the internet is probably the hardest part, and I needed a little help with that, TBH. I mean, to be fair, that was just to kind of hook up the screen recording. So if you were just gonna use it, you know, just for the built-in features and stuff, no worries, no need to connect it to the internet or the, you know, to your phone. If you don't want to, you could still do a bunch of cool stuff on there. Yeah, I had an absolute blast using these, and I'm gonna continue using them just for fun. You know, every once in a while, maybe play a game or throw a YouTube video of mine up there. I think it'd be really awesome. So if you're interested in it, I'll leave a link down below. Definitely check it out. Highly recommend. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next tech review. Thanks, Rokid. Appreciate it. Leave a like.